morning, good afternoon, and good evening, traders, and welcome to my 2346th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. Traders, welcome, welcome. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, this is an extremely risky game. Never, ever trade without stops. Know the risks behind futures and options and all this craziness can really get you badly. And again, never trade without stops. So welcome. This video is coming at you on a Wednesday night for Trading Thursday. That is December 3rd, 2021. You've seen this chart before. It is called Chart Masterpiece. I've mentioned to you that it is building and molding itself as we go. And in the beginning, when this chart started to get interesting to me, is when it had failure after being in this really long channel. If you go back really far here, and you'd see that the channel goes back really far. We fell out of that channel. And once we did, we tried to get back in. And that's what started to concern me right there, the failure. First we had failure. Then a bear flag emerges. So you go from failure to a bear flag, which works. You drop down, you create a gap, and break the 50 ball moving average, number 2. So number 1 was this, then this. Then we came down and broke the 200 ball moving average. But as of this day, Wednesday afternoon, we got back above that average, and I will tell you, I'm getting turning signals in the OMNI. Now, it's not complete, and not all of my signals are green, but it's starting to slowly curve up. Maybe a really deep dip we can get long in the indices, but I'd like a more decent OMNI signal to the upside. Barring that, there's a few other markets that I am willing to trade, and if you come down to livewithoscar.com, I'll be more than happy to share them with you. But for now, OMNI's starting to turn back up, and lo and behold, on the very same day, of course, we had the green up day, but you held the 200 ball moving average thus far. So we'll play it one day at a time, but I just wanted to point that out to you, and a sincere apology to me, from me to all of you. We did a lot of work on my website, livewithoscar.com, over the holiday weekend, Thanksgiving holiday, and that required that we take the designation of many of my videos from private, where they've been for years on YouTube, and we had to make them public. And that sent you a rash of emails. My sincere apologies. I wouldn't have done that. I never have in all these years, but it's what was required to make the changes on our site. But the site enhancements are there to help you, so please come on down to livewithoscar.com and join me in my live trading room, and I will see you there. Good luck trading, and remember, stops are in. Remember this. Emotions are out. Keep that in mind. Put your stops in first. Good luck trading, and I will see you at livewithoscar.com.